Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show how to make dropper chains or epoxy drop hooks. I'm not actually going to make the epoxy hook right now. I have made a video showing how I make my waxy epoxy drop or my waxy epoxy hook. So that could be put on a dropper chain or fished as it is. Or you can use other colors and just let your mind go wild. So the chain that I got, this stuff right here. So it's for jewelry. This stuff came from China. Took a little while to get. I apologize. It may take a little while to get it if you order this stuff. I ordered it kind of during the middle of this damn pandemic, so it took a little while. I'm not sure if shipping is going to be a little bit faster now than it was before. I'm looking at other sources though for good quality chain that's in the United States already. This stuff is really durable, so I do recommend this stuff, but I'm going to try to find something else that is here already so you guys can get a little bit faster. So one thing you'll want to keep in mind when choosing a epoxy drop hook, whether you're making it yourself or you're gonna order them offline, you want to make sure that whatever spoon or jig or whatever you're using it on, that the hook isn't able to go up and hook on the top or on your line, because when you're jigging it, the chain holds it down, but it can flip up. So this one is too long. I do like using them though, because it gets the bait further away from this big old mass here. Some fish are more finicky and they're not gonna bite this though, but they'll grab a hold of this, and sometimes you can even get them to grab just that glow epoxy with no bait on there. So okay, you can use your same factory installed hook that comes with this. Just make it dropper chain and put the same hook back on, or you can use a tungsten jig of your choice. Just make sure that the quick snap will fit through the eye. I use the small size. They have a small, medium, and large. These quick snaps are typically used for fly fishing, so they have a little opening that snaps. You can snap it right on your hook, and then the other side is a small hole, so you need to spread that. So I carefully use my flush cutter. I don't pinch it real tight or nothing, but just using those because they're so small on the tip. Just pinch it just a little bit. If you pinch too hard, you'll damage them. So you can figure out the length, how many links. I think we're gonna use like 6 links. Because you also have a little length too with just the quick snap at the top and the bottom of the chain as well. So if you make it too long, like I said, it can hook into the spoon or under your line. So I'm using 2 pairs of jeweler's pliers. They're smooth jawed. So pinch that back together, and then I could have just cut 6 links off of there, but that So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Aren't you proud of me? I can count to 6. And then I lost it. So I use an old rusty pair of tin snips because I don't care if those get dull. And then take another small one. Same process. Spread that open just a little bit. They can be kind of a pain to get the chain to drop in there sometimes. Like that one. I don't have it open far enough. I don't like opening them up too far, because when you try to push them back, sometimes they'll go sideways. And so I'm gonna pinch this. If you try to hold these with just your bare hands and crimp this closed, I promise you, the part that snaps over the hook, even though it's not very sharp, it can stab you, and it doesn't feel very good. So I use 2 pairs of needle nose jeweler's pliers. So see, the top and the bottom are the same, and then so this one doesn't have a hook on it, so show that one. So it's got that split ring at the bottom. Just snap it on there. Snaps on there. It's not long enough to hook the top now. And then I can take sorry, I had that on another one. I want to show this one on here. So this is a tungsten jig that I made. All kinds of glow epoxy. It's kind of like a cotton candy color. So I'm gonna snap that on there. These jigs, these tungsten jigs that I make, and I don't make them for other people. I just I'll make a video showing how I make them, but they're fussy. I don't like spending that much time on something and can't really make any money off them. So, but they're well balanced. They flip right back up. So there you go. And it won't, well, that one could actually catch the top. So that chain is still a little bit too long. I bet if that split ring wasn't on there though, it would be better. Try to get that off there quick. Ouch. It doesn't really need it on there. It might still be a little bit long because this hook is kind of big. So it snaps on there. And it would take quite a bit though to get that heavy of that tungsten. The weight of the tungsten will keep it down pretty well. Now if it was an epoxy hook, I could see it catching the top, but being that that's tungsten, I doubt that it would unless you're really jigging it hard. And if you're jigging it that hard, chances are the fish are not biting anyway. So there you go. Play with different lengths though. Try to keep them from hooking the top and the eye. So it's a perch talker. You can do the same thing with that, and all different kinds of spoon. This one's a little bit long too. I don't know that that one would actually hook the. That one probably would be fine. So, alright, well, if you like the video, give it a like, share with your friends, please subscribe, and I'll make sure that I put all of the stuff in the description. And if I find another source, I'm waiting on some stuff, so if I can find some other chain that I can get faster, I'll put that in the description, as long as it's a good product. I'm not gonna put something that, you know, it's gonna snap right away. I'm not gonna put that in the description. But if I find something that's good, I'll add it to the description and you know, let you guys know. So thank you very much.